Artificial intelligence, AI, is like teaching computers to think and act like humans. Imagine you want a machine to help you solve problems, understand speech, recognize pictures, or even play games. AI is the technology that makes this possible.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Is that about robots?
not just robots, it's about something called artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence. What's that?
AI is like teaching machines to think, to learn, and to solve problems just like humans do.
Like robots that can do my homework.
That's one way to look at it. But AI is behind so much more. Like the voice assistant on your phone, cars that drive themselves, and even the filters on your camera.
That's so cool. But can I think like us?
Not really. It doesn't have feelings or thoughts of its own, it's more like a very smart tool. It learns patterns, solves problems, but only what we train it to do.
Do you think I can learn to make AI?
Without a doubt. You're curious, and that's the first step. With time and effort, you can create amazing things.
I want to make an AI that helps kids like me learn faster.
That's a brilliant idea. You know, every great innovation starts with someone asking, "Now what if?" Keep dreaming, and one day you might just change the world.
Thanks, sir. You're really cool.
And so are you, young innovator. Never stop asking questions, they're the sparks of discovery.